Good morning. This is a little bit different. It's not even 7 a.m. yet, but I'm up and at it. It is a busy day ahead of us, so I figured I would just kind of conquer the morning and have more of a slow pace so I'm not rushing and dreading the day. I finished a book this morning. I relaxed, doom scrolled, and now I'm out here in the garden listening to the crisp morning sounds. Like you could still smell the dew that's all around. Here's a little morning routine in the countryside.